Eric back at the Naturopath. Thanks for coming back. We can talk about yogurt, one of my favorite foods. So a creamy yogurt. I got this recipe from a Greek lady a long time ago now. It would have been like 25 years ago, I think. A patient, and a wonderful recipe it is. I'm going to give you the link to the recipe in this video in the box underneath. You can click on it. It's on my site ericbacker.com, which is we're working on at the moment. Going to have some big changes on that site. So check the recipe out. It's a creamy recipe because it's got milk powder with it. So you need to get preferably some organic raw milk, okay? So we're quite lucky in New Zealand because all our grass, all our milk is from animals that eat grass, not grain. So in fact, all our meat is from grass animals, not because I find it quite weird how in other countries they have cows eating grain and stuff like that. So a creamy yogurt comes with that milk powder. You need to introduce a couple of capsules of a acidophilus, okay, so some probiotic, just a couple of capsules of probiotic if you want, 1 or 2. When you put probiotics in with this recipe, make sure there are no enzymes with it. So you need just a straight probiotic, okay, just 1 capsule, but you can also use a little bit of starter from a previous batch that you've made, okay. When you get over, I think it's 46, 47 or 48 centigrade, it's not good. So you can actually make this in a small crock pot, in a little crock pot on its lowest setting, or in a yogurt maker. It'll work well. Once you've tasted this, you won't want stuff from the store anymore. It won't taste anywhere near as good as this yogurt. This yogurt taste is sublime. It's really good, especially when it's really cold, a very cold yogurt. It's also nice to mix in, and I'll often do that in summertime, make up a nice drink with yogurt, water and a bit of honey and mix it. It's very tasty. You can pulse some mango or banana through it, or some fruit, even nicer. So, but definitely click on the link below and you'll get that free recipe that I've been making now for a long time. Enjoy. Thanks for tuning in.